Hello and welcome to the unboxing, or should I say the unpacking of the TIZUM 2.5 inch hard disk case. You can see there's a hard disk case right away. I'll remove the plastic packet and show you what this looks like. So there you go. This is what the hard disk case looks like. This is a 2.5 inch hard disk case. It has a TIZUM logo written right over here. It comes with this fabric surface on top and also has this rugged texture to it as well. This is basically a shock-proof bag. It has solid structure to it despite the fact that most of it is made out of mesh fabric. And there's a zip pouch over here. We have padded interiors right over here. So there is a solid shock-proof pad right over here. So there are two nets, as you can see. One is for holding your hard disk and the other is for holding your cable. I unfortunately don't have a 2.5 inch hard disk with me, but I do have, this is the solid state drive that I have. So this will go in over here, and this will remain very protected because of the double padding that you get over here. And the cables go in this pouch over here, and that's it. This is what you'll find inside the pack containing the TIZUM 2.5 inch hard disk case. Thank you for watching.